Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome and welcome. So I don't know why I'm having so much breakout. And if you're my day one, welcome back my loves. Thank you so much for coming back as always. I love you guys so much. And to my family that has just joined us, welcome my loves. Thank you so much. I hope you're gonna stay and you're gonna enjoy the type of content that I create. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and the family. I will really appreciate that. Today is the 22nd of November and it's my husband's birthday, and we are going on our first date. Yes, our first date. I thought I was gonna actually post this video together with the other video, the maintenance video, but I thought let me just do this as another vlog or another video rather. So yeah, I am gonna take a nap. I think the time is around 27 minutes past 2. So we've made reservations. At Stolo in Santon. So we're gonna drive from Katlehong to Esolo. I think our reservations are at 6 o'clock, so we're gonna leave here around 5. Yeah, just so we are there around 15:15, because I believe they're gonna secure our table for like 20 minutes after the time. So yeah, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna take a nap, even if it's just for an hour, and then I'll wake up around 4:30, maybe 4. Just take a shower. No, not 4:30. That'll be very late. I'm gonna try and get up at 3. I'm gonna try and nap for like 30 minutes, and then I'll get up and then I will shower. Once I'm done showering, I'll do my makeup. My husband is gonna come. My husband is coming. He is at work at the moment, and I am off. And yeah, so I'm gonna nap. Then I will catch up with you guys maybe when I'm done with my makeup and we are ready to leave. Right? Bye for now. Yeah, so as you can see, I am done with my makeup and we are already on our way. So we are celebrating my husband's birthday. He looks scrumptious. Like, he looks so yummy. He's gorgeous. And yeah, obviously I had to match his vibes, you know, and look and put an effort to it. But I just wanted it to be like something plain, simple, lay back, not like, oh my gosh, glamorize and all of those things. But yeah, we are on our way now. So I will see you when we get to Solo.
Yeah, morning. Hey, and us. And yeah,
Wabona phambili.
Sabona phambili.
Khawumbuze
Ba unsaphi.
Khawumbuze wena uyandikhupha.
Endikhupha.
Ngicela ukujonga.
I know taliwa usisalele khona.
I've never tried them before in China. So we are on our way back. We are actually going home now, and I don't think I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's way too dark for you guys to see me. I'm gonna end it when I get home, but we had so much fun. Like, it was a beautiful experience. We will definitely do it again, even if we don't go to the same restaurant. We'll probably go somewhere else just to like try out restaurants on occasions, because we're not really like people that go out and all of those things. But this was a beautiful experience, and I hope my husband enjoyed this, and I know he's gonna watch this. I mean, he's right next to me. So yeah, happy birthday, Stanvasam. I love you so much, and uyayaz yonke into ne. Thank you so much, my loves, for watching until this far. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Mwah.